I think today the women in the finance segment or otherwise also in the corporate culture, what I have seen is that they are already there in terms of education which is required to enter the corporate field, or the understanding which is required. They are already there when they enter, or as a fresher or otherwise as an experienced professional. Once you have a woman colleague in your department as finance, because the question is more specific to finance here, what would come according to me is understanding her aspirations, her career aspirations, and providing her right opportunities to be there is the fundamental thing. What an individual wants as a professional, and enable her to work accordingly. Providing her that right career opportunity is required. Once she's there, I think what we would further do is encouragement for her to continue to function with her best efficiency would be the next thing. Continue to coach her along the line, be it technical training or soft skills is something we need to focus upon. Third important thing is provide an autonomy to operate function. So because today's women would always want an autonomy to function within the corporate boundaries, of course, but in her so you should see how she can function the best or operate the best given then autonomy. And I think I'm sure she would do the best. So that is the third important thing. And the fourth one, last but not the least, which would be very specific to a diversity candidate, is giving her a kind of flexibility that she would need. Here she's a lady officer, but at home she could be a mother, a daughter, or in any role, a daughter-in-law for that matter. So but understanding the wholesome role of an individual as a diversity candidate and providing her the flexibility at the time that she needs, and I'm sure she would understand the support an organization has provided to her, and would come back with the ever best to give back to the organization who has supported her and help her navigate through her different phases of life. So if we do that, I think diversity is already there to compete with, or to be not even compete, or be there to function as a corporate professional. So this is what I think is required. From the beginning of my career, I was fortunate enough to work with the good companies, and that legacy continues with me joining and being with KSB here. Those companies have always had an inclusive culture, which had an inclusion of diversity as well, from the young individuals as diversity until the leadership roles. So that has been a great experience, and that has helped me never project myself as a diversity candidate all along. When it comes to the management style of myself, if I have to share few points on that, I have always believed in the collaborative style of management, where you understand what are the senior management or higher organizational goals and their expectations. You fall in line with that, and you also have the inclusive culture of including your teams who actually work on the field on those work points, take their viewpoints on those matters, understand their difficulties, and as a team you take a decision and move ahead. So it has two advantages. One is that it helps you to be in line with the organization goals, as I said. At the same time, it helps you build that next level of leadership, because they are already there to know what's happening around, and how can one be there to work along, and how the decisions are taken. So I wish I would also continue to work on this collaborative style, which I have believed and worked all along so far in my career. I think as a finance professional, hold over numbers and technical expertise is the basic fundamental, on which the entire finance profession of any individual should be built. That's given. So once it is there, the next thing to be there in the senior leadership role is to have a business connect. The right business connect will help you know what are the higher level organization goals, and also what's happening in the industry. This will help you navigate your own business to boost the top line of your company financials. At the same time, in case of difficult situations, how do you make the right kind of decisions and help navigate the business? So making right investment, making right decisions, and also help the business boost are something which are required, and right business connect and understanding of business will only help you do that. And the third, which is a very specific expectation which should be there from a finance professional for a senior leadership role, is that you lead by example and do the right things the right way, because finance is a function which is very much related to compliance. So we do that ourselves, and we also help business share that awareness with others, that they are also complying with the things and doing the right things the right way. So that how factor matters. So just to summarize, knowledge of business, business connect, and leading by example for the right things are required to reach the senior leadership role. To reach a leadership role, the first basic foundational thing is integrity. As I said, the second one is big picture thinking, or to have that strategic mindset, to see how would you like to have the business evolve in the years to come. That vision is required to be there essentially in the senior leadership role. The third important thing is communication skill, to have your thoughts, your mind reach out to your colleagues, your organizational team, or management for that matter is required. When I say communication skill, it is also the listening skill. To listen to others is also equally important. So that's the third important quality. And last thing is resilience. Resilience is to hold yourself when the things do not go the way you expected them to be, and still continue to focus on your objectives. So that kind of resilience, taking everyone along, is required. So integrity, big picture thinking or vision, communication skills, and resilience are the important characteristics according to me are the expectations of to be there in the senior leadership role.